Hello guys, welcome back. So in this lecture we are going to implement a method with which we can at least see our linked list in simple ways, right? Because here, like what we were doing so far, we are expanding the nodes. We were just seeing the head node and the tail node, and in case if we want to see the middle nodes, then we have to expand it over and over again, right? And that's sort of annoying, right? So I just wanna implement a simple method in this lecture so that once we implement our reverse method, then at least we can see whether it is working properly or not, right? So it's gonna be a quick video, and I thought it's important before implementing the reverse method, right? So let me quickly write it. There is nothing much in this one. So let's name it display list. Okay, and here we are not going to pass anything. Okay, so let's pick a current element, current node equals to this dot head, and then let list arr equals to empty array. Okay, and then we are going to run a while loop while we have the current node, and then what we have to do, current node dot value, we have to simply push it into the list arr. Okay, and then what we have to do, we simply have to update the current node to current node dot next. Okay, so this way we can iterate through each node and then we can push it one by one. Okay, and then at the end we simply have to return the list array. Okay, so this is all we have to do. This is the simplest one. Okay, so we already have 4 nodes, high, high 2, high 3, high 4. So let's see whether it is working fine or not. Okay, new SLL dot its display, right? Display, and this is just for like seeing the node list. It has nothing to do with our linked list. It is just for our purpose only. Okay, so as you can see, we have high, high 2, high 3, high 4. At least we can see it easily, right? Because earlier what we were doing, we were simply writing like this, and then we were getting just head and node. And in case if we want to see the elements which are attached right after our current node, what we have to do, we simply have to expand it, and that's sort of annoying, right? So this is the simplest way in which we can at least easily see whether our linked list is getting reversed properly or not. Okay, so yeah, this is it for this lecture. I hope you guys like this one. Okay, so this is just for our purpose only, our use case. It has nothing to do with the linked list. Okay, so that we can easily see whether our list is getting traversed and reversed or not properly. Okay, so yeah, this is it for today's lecture. See you in the next one where we are going to actually implement the reverse method. Okay, so see you there.